20th, 2024. This one here I got a call from a guy. I've worked for him before. I know he's got an older Goodman system over there. An older Goodman leaker. And calling me the fan's not working in the basement. Well, it's probably iced up. Anyway, we're gonna go over there and see what's going on with the unit. Maybe it needs a capacitor on the fan, or maybe the fan motor died. Some of the stuff I work on is really, really old. I think I remember this cat. I'm gonna pull this disconnect and we're gonna see if the fan runs in the basement. Alright, I want you to go upstairs and turn on the air conditioner and turn it down, and I'll check the fan down here and we'll check the unit outside, okay? I gotta get in here somehow and check this thing. Make sure it's working. He said he shut it down, so when I turn it on, the fan should come on. Alright, so that's working. That's running. Check the unit outside. He says this outside unit was not running. Take a look at it. Contactor's not pulled in. That's kind of weird. Contactor's not pulled in. So it's off on delay. The thermostat's bad, maybe. For some reason that the contactor's not pulling in. See if I got voltage there, maybe. No voltage. Might be off on delay. On off.
Yeah, I just put it on.
How long? What do you just had it off?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll put it on cool and we'll turn it down. You had it on fan on. All right, now it's on cooling and automatic, and now it should take a little bit and it should come on. Let's see. I know it's gonna come on because I pushed the contactor out there and she fired.
Okay.
Maybe you didn't have it on there right. The switches.
I had the switch on.
Huh?
I did all that after I talked to you. But it wouldn't.
Sometimes it's got a delay. It's got like a 5-minute delay. When you first turn it on, it takes 5 minutes for the compressor to come on because it's got a delay. Okay. So let's give it a minute.
When that thing turned on, when I turned the air conditioner on, right, originally it said I put on cool, it was on automatic. And
yeah.
It was 81 degrees in there. I said, okay,
yeah.
so no.
You gotta make sure you put the fan on automatic.
That's what I did.
And then put it on cooling.
I had to put on cool.
And then you gotta turn it
on automatic.
Then you gotta turn it down.
I did. I
yeah.
turned it down to what it is.
Yeah.
I haven't gonna lay down. When I came back after a while, I hit it, boom, boom, it was running. You know,
this wasn't running.
I went over there, I went downstairs, that was running. So I came out here, this wasn't running.
Yeah.
So what I did, shut that off, I washed that down.
There we go. Maybe you didn't have the switch from off to cooling, or you didn't have it on all the way.
I had to, maybe.
It's possible.
Yeah. Okay.
You might have had it on heat, and then you went to off, and you thought it was on cooling, but it was on off.
Okay.
And then you had fan on, the fan would run. Unless that's on cooling all the way, it's not going to make contact. We're getting good air here. I mean, simple is good, right? Simple is good. Better than having it burnt out and you got to replace the whole system. Just wanted me to come over so you can bullshit. Right?
My house is cool anyway.
Be sleeping out in the shed when you don't get this air conditioning fixed.
Yeah, oh yeah, I gotta go babysit tomorrow and wait. Put on the couch in the morning. People have to be here.
She'll be putting you out in the shed for tonight.
I have to get downstairs now. Downstairs. Cooler down there. TV.
Running good.
Cheap tonight. What it could have been.
You changed the filter downstairs?
Yep.
Yeah, that's what you want. You want to have something that's, you know, something that's got airflow. Have you been washing this outside coil?
Yeah,
looks good. Looks good. It's getting nice and sweaty here. That's what we want. We're getting nice heat out of there. We're good. Coil's clean.